Installing the Ravian Ceiling Fan by Arranmore Lighting and Fans. Ravian is designed to fit your style, with multiple finishes, 3 or 5 blade configurations, and an optional light kit. Plus, blade spans of 52, 60, or 72 inches to suit any room. Required tools: electrical tape, Phillips screwdriver, and a step ladder. For proper installation, make sure the fan is mounted in an indoor space or in a covered outdoor area that is damp rated. The ceiling should be level or sloped no more than 19 degrees. The outlet box or mounting structure must be able to support at least 35 pounds of fan weight. You'll need a standard toggle wall switch. Note that dimmer switches are not compatible. Turn off power at the breaker and wall switch. Turn the canopy bottom cover counterclockwise to remove it from the canopy. Loosen the canopy mounting screws. Turn the canopy counterclockwise to remove it from the mounting bracket. Remove the outlet box screws and washers if applicable. Pass the supply wires through the center hole in the mounting bracket. Insert and securely tighten the removed screws and washers if applicable. Remove the cotter pin and clevis pin from the motor collar. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Loosen the set screw located in the hanger ball. Lower the hanger ball and remove the cross pin. Use the original product packaging to create a base to hold the fan. Place the fan motor assembly inside. Bring a fan blade to the motor. Ensure the up stamp is facing upwards. Align the holes on the blade with the holes underneath. Place a blade support plate with screws over the holes and tighten all screws securely. Repeat these steps for the remaining blades. Carefully feed the motor wires and safety cable up through the down rod. Thread the down rod into the collar. Align the holes and replace the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. If a longer down rod is needed, use the included extension cords to increase the wire length from the motor. Slip the coupling cover, bottom canopy cover, and canopy onto the down rod. Carefully reinstall the hanger ball onto the down rod, being sure that the pin is in the correct position, the set screw is tightened, and the wires are not twisted. Carefully lift the fan motor assembly up to the mounting bracket and seat the hanger ball in the mounting bracket socket. Make sure the tab on the mounting bracket is properly seated into one of the grooves in the hanger ball. Locate the safety cable loop and secure it to a building structure independent of the outlet box. If it is not accessible from the outside, slide the safety cable through an outlet box opening and use an access panel or attic to secure the safety cable with the safety cable screw, lock washer, and flat washer. Tighten the safety cable loop, being sure to leave some slack on the cable. Bring the receiver up to the mounting bracket. Insert the narrow end of the receiver into the slide-on mounting bracket until it rests on top of the ball down rod assembly. Connect the 2-pin connector and 3-pin connector from the fan to the corresponding connectors from the receiver. Use the included plastic wire nuts to make the electrical connections. The green wire from the receiver, green wire from the mounting bracket, and green wire from the down rod connect to the green or bare ground wire from the outlet box. The white ACNN wire from the receiver connects to the neutral wire from the outlet box. The black ACNL wire from the receiver connects to the hot wire from the outlet box. You can use this wiring diagram for reference. Secure the plastic wire nuts with electrical tape. Spread the wire connections so the green and white wire connections are on one side and the black wire connection is on the other side. Carefully tuck the wires into the outlet box space above the receiver or evenly around the sides of the hanger bracket. Slide the canopy up the mounting bracket and place the keyholes on the canopy over the loose canopy mounting screws on the mounting bracket. Turn the canopy clockwise until it locks in place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Tighten the 2 canopy mounting screws. Attach the canopy bottom cover to the canopy by inserting the screw heads into the key slots in the canopy bottom cover and rotating clockwise. Remove one of the 3 decorative cover mounting screws from the decorative motor cover mounting plate. Loosen the 2 other screws. Place the keyholes in the decorative motor cover over the 2 screws previously loosened from the decorative motor cover mounting plate. Turn the decorative motor cover until it locks in place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Securely tighten the 2 decorative motor cover mounting plate screws previously loosened and the 1 previously removed. If you are installing the fan without the light kit, use the included decorative cap. Position the notches on the inner edge of the decorative cap so they match the tabs on the outside of the rim of the decorative cap mounting plate. Carefully lift the decorative cap inside the decorative cap mounting plate and secure it to the fan by turning the decorative cap clockwise until snug. You should not be able to twist the decorative cap any further by hand if properly tightened. If you ordered the fan with the optional light, use the LED light kit. Hold the LED light kit under the fan motor assembly and snap together the wire connection plugs. Position the notches on the inner edge of the LED light kit so they match the tabs on the outside of the rim of the decorative cap mounting plate. Carefully lift the LED light kit inside the decorative cap mounting plate and secure it to the fan by turning the LED light kit clockwise until snug. You should not be able to twist the LED light kit any further by hand if properly tightened. Prepare the remote by pressing firmly and sliding off the battery cover. Install the 2 included AAA batteries and reinstall the battery cover. Power can safely be restored at the circuit breaker and wall switch. The fan is now ready to be used with your remote control. If you are experiencing issues with your fan or would like to pair an additional remote, follow the learning process. Ensure AC power to the fan is off to begin the learning process. Slide the dip switch in the battery compartment to the 1 position. Turn the fan's AC power on. Within 1 minute of turning on AC power, press the Learn button in the remote's battery compartment until the fan blades start to spin. The fan will now accept commands from the added remote. Note that if you have multiple fans in range, you will need to keep AC power off to any fans that you do not wish to pair. If you accidentally pair a remote to the wrong fan, or if you wish to reset the fan's memory, simply repeat the learning process but with the dip switch in the 0 position. An optional remote control holder is included for your convenience. Attach the remote control holder with the 2 remote control holder mounting screws. The numbered buttons allow you to activate the fan and set the fan speed, with 1 being the minimum speed and 6 being the maximum speed. The 0 button will turn the fan off. The reverse button toggles the rotation of the fan direction. For warm weather, the fan should be set to the counterclockwise direction to push cool air downward. For cool weather, the fan should be set to the clockwise direction to pull air upwards and move warm air off the ceiling. The timer buttons will automatically turn the fan off after 2 hours or 6 hours. This can be cancelled by pressing the 0 button. If the optional LED light kit is installed, you will also have access to the light controls on the remote. The light on-off button toggles the light on or off when pressed and released. Holding the light on-off button will activate the dimming function. Release the button to set the desired brightness. The light color temperature button cycles through the 5 color temperature options. Option 1, 2700 Kelvin, warm white. Option 2, 3000 Kelvin, soft white. Option 3, 3500 Kelvin, neutral white. Option 4, 4000 Kelvin, bright white. And Option 5, 5000 Kelvin, daylight. For additional support, please reach us anytime at support@arranmorelighting.com. From our family to yours, thank you for letting Arranmore be part of your home.